Hi, girls. Today I am going to make a video for you so that you can understand today's math a little better. And I also included another video of someone that was doing this lesson as well. But I didn't think that their lesson let you know what you should fill in each space, and I thought that might be kind of confusing on what to write on your paper. So I'm going to do a few with you this morning as well. But the other video would also be good to watch too. But we're going to read this word problem, and it says, there is a paper clip chain that is 16 inches long and removes 9 inches of paper clips from the chain. How long is the paper clip chain now? So what we need to first fill out is, it says, what do I need to find? You need to trace over what you need to find, and that's the question it asks. How long the paper clip chain is now. And I'm not going to trace over all that because I'm just using my mouse to write here, and it's not the easiest to use. All right, the next thing we want to do is we need to figure out what information do I need to use. Let's look back up here to the story, see what information we have. We have that the chain was 16 inches long and she removes 9 inches, don't we? So we need to put in the chain is 16 inches long and 9 inches of the paper clips are removed. Okay? So now down here they drew a picture to help us. So originally our chain was 16 inches long. Okay, but then they removed some. They removed, so they went backwards on the number line. They removed 9 inches. And where does that end up being? 7 inches, right? What problem did we do to figure that out? We wrote 16 minus 9 equals 7. Because when the word remove tells us that it's going to get smaller or less, so we know that we subtract. Okay, let me see if I can do another one with you here. Oh boy, I don't want that one. I'm gonna realign here and see if I can get more of the page. Oh, okay. I guess that works. Okay, so let's do the next problem together. You can turn your page, and it says Carmen has a string that is 13 inches long and a string that is 8 inches long. How many inches does she have? So we ask ourselves, first step, what do we need to find? We need to find how many inches she has. What information do we need to use? 13 inches, a string that's 13 inches, and a string that's 8 inches. Okay, so do you think on this problem, are you going to add or subtract? She has one string and another string, and we want to know how much string she has. So that means we're going to add. So down here, we can write 13 plus 8 equals, and we're going to find that out here in a second. Okay, so we can use our number line to help us, and we start here at 0 and we go until we get to 13, because she has 13 inches, doesn't she? And now is going to be the tricky part where we count on here, because we're going to count 8 more. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we see where we end. This one is 13, and this one is 8. And we line them up. This one first, and then this one. And how many inches did it end up being when we lined them up? So our answer is 21, and we'll put 21. Okay, let's do another question together. It says, Eli has a cube train that is 24 inches long. He removes 9 inches of cubes from the train. How long is Eli's train now? We need to find out how long Eli's train is. We're going to use these two numbers. And what does this word right here tell you? Removes. Means take away, doesn't it? So we are going to write down here 24 minus 9. Okay, and we're going to find out what that is. So first, let's get 24. So draw a line until you're at 24. We know that that's 24. And now we're going to go back 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This whole thing was 24. And this whole thing was 9. We went back 9. And where did we end up? We ended up on the 15. So we know that 24 minus 9 equals 15. And there's a part of the page that you write. I can't reach it here, but it says Eli's cube train, and you'll write 15 is 15 inches long now. Okay. Oops. I am going to see if I can get another clip here for you. I don't know if I'll be able to do this in the same video or not. Well, oh boy. Let's see here. I may have to oh boy. Well, I'm going to stop the video there, and I'll have to start it again in a little bit when I get ready.